Our experience and understanding of the window film industry, combined with the knowledge of the products available, allows us to meet the needs of all our customers, whatever their size, whatever their requirement. We pride ourselves on delivering high-quality window films, including solar control and privacy and safety products. We also have an extensive range of decorative solutions, including printed graphics and digital wallpaper. No matter the type of size of the client or project, we will take the time to learn what is required to fully understand the brief before exploring and explaining the range of options available. The Window Film Company are accredited and recognised by trade bodies from the building and glazing industries. We use the best possible materials and techniques to ensure the best possible results, ensuring the highest quality and longevity. Dedicated Window Film Company staff will guide you through each step of the process, from initial inquiry all the way to installation and aftercare. To find out more, contact us today.